How to buy TSOTCHKE token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to visit or check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there, and keep following their updates about their token. Now after that, go and open the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and open an account. Now after that, as you can see, this token is under the Solana network. Now copy the token as you can see, and we will use the Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now click on this token. Now enter here how much you want to buy. So you wait some seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. So maybe just edit it, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. So after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now after that, make sure to read all of this information and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and edit the slippage from here, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the TSOTCHKE token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.